Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make this squash and stretch slider animation control right here in After Effects. And without talking too much, let's jump right into the video. What we're going to do is we're going to come to our hand behind tool here. I'm going to move the bottom of our shape here. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'll come to my effect panel here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down to expression control and go down to slider control to select. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to rename the slider control. So I'm just going to call it squash and stretch. What I'm going to do first is I'm just going to click my stopwatch here so I can write an expression. This expression, I'll make it available in my video description so you can walk along with me. And it's heavily dependent on you naming the slider the same way I renamed mine here. But I'm also going to show you guys how to write the expression for yourself, so you don't need to watch this video and copy the expression every single time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to type in if, then open brackets, pick with this here, and we're going to put greater than 100. Now I'm going to open up the curly bracket here and press enter. Now I'm going to type I'm going to type x equals to, we're going to pick with this one more time. So yeah, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to write this symbol. I don't know what this symbol is called, but the comma or whatever, what is this called? If you know it, please can tell me in the comment section. And I'm going to press enter again, and I'll put y, put equals to, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 200 minus, then I'm going to pick with this back here again. So I'm going to put this figure again, and now I'm just going to come down here to behind the second curly bracket here, and I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to type in another expression, an else expression. So else space, then if, open bracket again one more time, and you just parent this slider again. And now I'm going to put greater than 100. So I open up the curly bracket here again, press enter, and I type in x equals to, I pick with this again here. Now I put in this semicolon, and finally I got a semicolon down here, and y equals to, I'm going to put 100 plus, open brackets, then I'll now write 100 minus, and I'm now going to pick with this to our slider again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the end here, I'm going to write my semicolon one more time. So I'm going to go down here, I'm going to write my final expression, else if, open brackets, pick with this again, equals to 2 times 100, open my null bracket again, press enter, I put x equals to 100, enter, y equals to x. Finally, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come down here, and I'm just going to create this square bracket here, and I'm just going to write x comma y. So now what we have is that if you're using the slider now, once you slide it this way, it's going to stretch. Once you slide it this way, we're going to squash. So what I'm going to do to create our animation now is I'm going to pick P, open up my position keyframes, and first I'm just going to move to around 10 frames here, and I'm just going to drag this down to somewhere touching this place right here. Okay. To create some separation, let's change the color or give it blue. Now what I can do now for this is I'm just going to make a keyframe here, go back to the beginning of my timeline here, and I'm just going to move this out of my scene like this. So another thing I can do is select this one now. I click F9, easy ease, and go to my graph editor here and just make it like so. So it starts up slow and ends really fast. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to come somewhere around here where it's visible, and now I can go to my slider control here and just slim it down to something like this, make a keyframe, move forward to the point of impact here, and I can squash it something like this, move forward in my timeline a little bit somewhere around here, and I can just take it back to around like 92, 93, then finally move forward somewhere around here and bring it back home to 100. So I can click on here, I can see on my keyframes here, so I can actually position it well. And next video, I'm going to show you guys how to take your work from looking like this, looking like this. Thank you for watching that video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below if anything you don't understand. I'll be sure to get to you. Comment down below other video suggestions. I'll be doing much more expression work and show you guys how to do more expressions. So until my next video, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and Jimmy University. Thank you, gamers.